What's up, everybody? We are on Halloween night, starting to get in our costumes and getting ready. We're gonna give you the final walkthrough of the haunted house. None of the smoke is on and it's still light out. I'll do another one. It'll be at the end of this video where you can see it all dark, lights on, all the smoke going and everything like that. So come through, come check it out. Hey, Cameron. So we got our entrance guy up right here. We're gonna have a sign right here too. Again, it's still kind of light, so you can't. There we go. Oh. Gotta go through a closet.
One in here. Oh. What are you doing? Shh, don't step on it, don't step on it.
You're next. And if you're wondering why there's a big gap right here, is because my brother is dressed up as multiple stuffed animals and he pops out of the wall. We did a test run on Sunday and nobody was able to see him, and every single person got scared when he popped out of the wall. So this one turned out really good. This room you can only see right now because I have the light on the camera, but this is completely blacked out and you can see all the fishing string everywhere. Look at that clown.
Regularly, you wouldn't see the fishing string.
We don't have all the strobes on and everything too, but
Nothing like a little Halloween fog to set the mood. I can't get enough of this stuff. Get a load of this holiday shit.
and then this next room is mainly dependent on there being fog in here, but you can kind of get the idea. There is thousands of lasers going everywhere and reflecting off of all these mirrors, and it looks really cool with all the smoke in here. And then this is our farm. Cameron and I made a couple of these. It's like a skeleton corn zombie guy thing. Another one, it's pumpkin. And you gotta go through the noodles. And then straight out. And if you see, this was full of balloons on Sunday and they all popped, and we are not going to replace them. So it'll just be a straight shot out. We kind of just let it go once we get over here. Turned out sick. Today's the day. I'm going to post this video tomorrow for everybody to see. Yeah, hopefully we get a couple videos of us scaring people and things like that. So stay tuned.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Come on.
Second round in my boy Josh's haunted house.
It's the best.
Hey, you guys can keep walking. Go right here. Oh, you pull. You pull. I can't pull.
No, I'm not pulling. No.
Jason, you pull.
Okay, I'll pull.
Ah! Okay, pull it. Okay, go ahead. All right, go ahead.
Nope.
Jason, you go first. You go first, Jason.
No, why?
They always add new. You never know what's gonna come in there.
Oh, there's a guy right there. There's a guy right there. I swear. I swear. Hey, my man.
That guy's not real. There's no way that guy's real. Go touch him. Go touch him.
No!
Jason,
No!
you touch him.
No! There's two!
Jason,
There's two!
Little guy. You're fine. You're fine.
Get ready for the...
Hey, you're fine. You're fine. He's right here. Look at him. He's not even chasing us. Oh my God. He's right there. Dude, just shut up. You're gonna kill yourself. Oh, dude, he's coming after you. Oh my gosh. That's not the same
another
guy.
guy.
That's a weird guy.
Are you scared?
These are real body parts.
Nope.
Ah! Oh, that one was close.
Oh my
Dude,
god.
this guy's spooky.
He's following us! He's following us!
So creepy.
You would be so scared if they still had the chainsaw in here.
Hey, you guys go ahead of me. I'm too scared right now.
No! Oh, look it! This is the best part. This is the best part.
Oh, dude, I think that guy's coming after you.
Come on, Lucas. Chris, please stop. Please stop. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out.
These people do not play. That's that one kid. That's the one guy that got beat up.
Oh, this is the cool part. Come on.
You guys go. I'm too scared. I'm too scared.
No!
You better be scared.
Oh! It is so sick. Whoa.
Oh, matey.
Dude. It gets way more scary.
No! No! Mr. Chris, you're freaking me out!
This is the scariest part. Alright, Luke, you gotta go. You gotta go. Hey, is there a girl behind us or is it Lucas? Hey, Luke, you gotta look in this thing because I don't know.
No!
I can't go up here. Kason, look up. You gotta watch. Oh. Oh, this is the nice lady over here. Oh, look at her little baby. It's such a nice guy. Hey, you guys go. I can't go right here.
No! No!
Oh my gosh, I think she's good. Hey, pretty. Oh, look.
Okay.
Creepy.
Wait, what's the TV show?
Okay, you guys go. Kason, you gotta go.
No.
Luke, you gotta go. Oh my
Oh,
God.
stop! Stop!
Hey, you gotta go. You gotta.
No! You gotta help me! Please! These are killing me!
These are nasty.
Bro, why are you following me? Why are you following me?
This is one of those kids. I'm pretty sure he got. He's the one. He's the one that got arrested already. Go. He got arrested already.
Ah!
Oh, dude, I'm pretty sure that guy got
Go!
arrested. I can't go through there. I can't go through this. You gotta go. You gotta
No! No! No!
Oh my God. He's a fake guy. Uh-oh.
Ah! Ah!
I didn't know we brought a girl with us. Uh-oh.
There's a guy! There's a guy! Ah! Ah! You freaking scared me.
You haven't made it there.
I'm done!
Your boy is absolutely tripping. I've never heard a guy scream so much in his life.
It's scary.
Be welcome.
Wow, that smell, I think it's dead bodies.
Be welcome to the fair.
I think it's dead bodies. Oh, wow. Lucas, you can keep walking. Come on.
Happy Halloween, everybody!
I got scared. I got scared. Okay?
Wait, do you see this? It's your reflection. You scared of that?
No.
Relax.
That's me. Go
It's beginning to feel like Christmas. Spiders
Dad!
everywhere.
Stop! I'm freaking out, okay? I don't like this.
This is the pitch black zone.
Ah! It's a lady.
This is the pitch black zone.
Blinded by the light.
Where's Levi at?
He decided to stay on the golf cart.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
He was like, yeah, you guys are stupid.
Yeah.
Wow, I think we got through, boys.
That was fun, guys.
Oh, Lucas.